In this video, we are going to demonstrate the ability of the connector agent to extract the data from a CSV file, which is stored in a web repository. We will demonstrate a series of 2 actions through a single query executed by the connector agent, where the first action is to download the CSV file from the repository, and the second action is to extract the data from that CSV file, which is now stored in the local system. We can see here the repository that we'll demonstrate is Zenodo. Here is a folder called API Connector, and it has only 2 files. One is the annual report PDF file, and the second one is the database reformulation CSV file. We will demonstrate how data is extracted from the CSV file using the connector agent by using a natural language query as input to it. This is the execution of this particular natural language query, which reads as, extract the data in the form of a table from the DB reformulation CSV file from Zenodo. Now we will execute the query to the connector agent. We can see the connector agent has started its execution. It retrieves the relevant API and the Zenodo API, so it has completed its execution. Let's take a look at the logs in order. The final output of the first step says that the file db reformulation search reformulation.csv was downloaded successfully into the folder extracted_data. Let's take a look at the contents of this EM connector agent repo. It should now have a folder called extracted_data. As we can see here, the extracted_data folder is there. And inside this folder, we have the CSV file downloaded from Zenodo. Let's take a look at it. It has a table with 3 columns called service name, planner, and query ID, followed by the reformulated queries. In the second step, we will show that we extracted the same data, and the data was displayed in the command line. Here is the extracted data from DB reformulation and search reformation.csv. And as we can see here, the exact same data has been extracted and displayed here in the form of a table. The first field is the service name, which is either Jira or Confluence. The second one is the plan or query ID, and the last column is reformulated queries. This demonstrates how data can be extracted from a CSV file that is stored in a web repository by using the API connector agent